So I'm about to make a run into town, and we're going to be featuring 3 different cameras: the Ace Pro 2, the Ace GO Ultra, and the Insta360 360-degree camera. Drop a comment below. Tell me which camera you think you would like to see more content on. I've got some new lenses that are coming in. Currently, right now, I am using the macro lens that is on the Ace Pro 2. And I do have the anamorphic cinematic lens coming in, and I've got the standard lens. I don't know if I want to buy the wide angle lens yet. I haven't decided. However, that being said, I also have the lens pack for the GO Ultra. And that's the one I'm kind of excited for. It's probably going to take 2 weeks to get here because I had to order it straight from Insta, and we know that they are backed up on orders right now. So as soon as it gets in though, we're going to go through the different macro lenses that they have, all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, I guess. Okay, so filming in public, there's a stigma with that. There's a lot of people that like to film in public, and there's people that are scared to film in public. Featuring these 3 cameras, the Ace Pro 2, the GO Ultra, and the Insta 360-degree camera, it actually makes filming in public a little bit easier depending on which device you're going to use. And like I said in the intro, I am on my way into town. I am going to be doing some grocery shopping, and I'm going to take these cameras out and use the ones that are best suited for the situation. The video that you're about to see is me doing that, and I'll tell you which camera I'm using and so on. But like, comment, share, and let's get this going. Well, this has definitely been a crap year. Got into an accident on January 1st. Went to the emergency room, ended up with staples all up in my scalp up here, broken ribs. The wrist I'm holding the camera with right now was kind of messed up and is still in a brace. I had every intention of putting out a video every day for the month of January, and that didn't happen, and shit happens. So today I'm actually going to be running to town. This is February 6th, 7th, somewhere around there. I don't even remember my days right now. I have to do some groceries, so I am actually going to be filming with 3 different cameras. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which I'm filming with right now with the brand new macro lens that I just picked up. Also using the GO Ultra and the 360-degree camera. So you're going to get 3 points of view: GO Ultra, Ace 360 camera. And I just kind of want to talk about the benefits of specifically this camera right here, using this macro lens. I'm loving it so far. I've had it about a week, and this is probably one of the best upgrades I've done to this camera so far, besides the Explorer Grip Pro version. So yeah, different cameras right here: GO Ultra, Pro, the 360 cam, and let's go ahead and let's do this little shopping trip. Make it a vlog style in public. Alrighty. Oh, ribs, they still hurt. Brace. All right, guys, it's time to go do this thing. So yeah, now we've switched over to the Mic Air, which is one of the Insta360 products too. We are here. We are officially at the grocery store that I prefer to go to. This is H-E-B, as you can see right there. And we're going to go inside, and for the beginning part of it, I'm actually going to put the Ace Pro, or the, get over here in some better light, the Ultra on my little magnetic piece. And then we're going to do some public filming. This camera will be mounted to like the grocery cart and stuff like that. So let's do it. Alrighty. So as you guys can see, we're walking in. We're just going to do our thing. Okay. Well, we need to find some fruit. ambrosia. Really wish I could find those apples that kind of tasted like, that have like that lemonade flavor to them. Honey Crisp. Get some Honey Crisp apples. And of course, we need some organic mini peppers. Oh wait, here's more apples. Envy's, Honeycrisp, Granny Smith, Galas, Pink Ladies, Delicious, Honeycrisp, Granny Smith, Fuji, and they do not have them. They're called something Rose, and I can't remember what the name of them are, but there's like very few stores that carry them. Man, I totally forgot this was Super Bowl weekend. This store is packed. You know, there's people walking, just kind of walking right by me and not even really noticing that this thing is on my chest. I need coffee stuff. Coffee! There we go. There we go. Let's get some of these. Grab 3 of these. I guess I could always grab something to throw on the grill. I think I'm gonna do some boneless pork chops. And I need some mac and cheese. Garlic, olives, and vermicelli. I think will go good with those pork. Alrighty, let's get a spot.
These at the registers, but they switched to the paper to those roll script towels. Can I ask if you want to sign up for paper?
Do what?
Just asking if you want to sign up to see paper. Keep on take care. There you go.
All right, thank you. You have a good day. You too. Alrighty, so there we go. That was a real quick film using the GO Ultra inside of the store. I did not break out the Ace Pro 2 because the store was extremely packed. I totally forgot. Super Bowl weekend. Whatever. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. So we're gonna head back to the house, do a little more filming, and then we're gonna process all this and see exactly what it looks like. So there we go. Alrighty, so as you can see, the groceries are loaded. We got everything in. We're ready to go. And yeah, let's put the 360 camera back up and then let's actually do it that way. Okay, so for the remainder of this video, we're going to be shooting with the Ace Pro 2 with, as you can see right here, the wide angle lens on it, and I've got a little dovetail attachment on the bottom. This is so it can actually fit in the little Mantis Pod. It just simply drops and clicks in like that, and boom, you're good to go. And now you've got a way to hold this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and continue our drive home, and then I'll finish up this video and give you some of the specs and what it is that I actually like about that macro lens. So let's do this. Okay, so I am getting some fuel right now. Like I said, we're using the Ace Pro Ultra with the macro lens on it. This thing allows you to get really super close versus like your other action cameras. You have to be at least 1 foot to 2 foot away to get a good clear focus. This one works up close, and that's what I really like about it. I don't have to hold way out here in order to get a good shot. This allows me to get the shot that I need up close, and there's also settings on the macro lens that you can actually set to where you can actually turn it around and get within 2 to 3 inches of something. We'll go over that probably in some other videos, but at this moment I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of how I'm doing this filming. I would have brought the camera out at the grocery store. Super Bowl weekend, it was extremely busy, and the way I have this camera set up in the Explorer Grip Pro and all that stuff, it would have been really noticeable. And I unfortunately do not live in a record-friendly area. There's a lot of ignorant people around here, even though when you're recording in public there is no expectation of privacy. So getting fuel, and then we're going to get on the road, and then we'll go into more in depth on this and show you some of the different color profiles and things like that. Okay, we are rolling, and as you can see, I've got this thing mounted way over there. The macro lens still works really good with it. I'm still in focus. The background is slightly blurred, which is a good thing. That's how I want it. But with this particular camera setup, you've got so many options that you can actually go through, use. The quick connect clamps that go on it. Currently, right now, I have it connected to a quick connect clamp that is mounted to a small rig magic arm, which is mounted over there where I would normally mount like a phone or something like that. Works really good for on the go travel vlogging and things like that. So far today, this has been a really good day for me. Let me roll that window up. We'll get a little bit of noise action here. It's been a really good day for me because I've really missed getting out and filming that month long of recuperating broken ribs, stitches, and everything. It was really aggravating to not be able to get out and just do small films like this. I literally wanted to produce a small 2-3 minute video every day for the month of January, and that did not happen. And if you're watching this wondering what the hell happened, go back, look at the video that talks about a cracked lens, bruises, stitches, and scrapes. I actually show you the accident. It was a dog ran out while I was out mountain biking and tried to attack me, and in the process, because it tried to get me, it got my foot, I kicked it up into the front wheel, and boom, we went down. Cracked the lens on the Insta360 360 degree camera. So that video, if you're watching it, is me repairing that camera, showing you how easy it is to actually put a new lens in it. So yeah, I'm not going to be talking to the camera now. I'm going to turn it off because Highway Patrol runs this area and I don't need a reason for them to pull me over. We'll continue this when I get to the house. Okay, we are officially done. Back home. I'm walking out to the garden to do some checks out there. Let's talk about the actual Ace Pro 2 with the macro lens on it. Because I now have this macro lens on it, as you can see, my arm is kind of bent. I don't have to go way out here to get a good shot. I can keep it up close. More of a natural feel, more casual, I guess you could say. It feels like it's supposed to, like where it needs to be. Now, can I use this lens all the time for multiple shots of shooting? And the answer is absolutely, and I'll show you real quick. So I'm standing way over here. You can still see me pretty good. I mean, there's not any blur or anything. It looks good. I can walk up to the camera, as you can see right now, and it still looks great. That's what makes this lens, I think, a little different than some of the other ones. Now, that being said, I do actually have one of the anamorphic lenses on its way in. It should be here Monday. That's the cinematic lens, basically. And I want to use that one to try to compare the two versus the standard lens. Now, just real quick, I'm going to switch the view on this so you can actually see my garden, but I'm going to make the adjustment on the macro lens. The macro lens has a dial that you can turn right or left. When I have it right now, there's like a little picture of a human. That's me. You can see me really good. I only have to be this distance from the camera to have a good view of it. And when I switch it over to the one that looks like a flower, that is so I can get up to 2 to 3 inches from the subject and still have everything crystal clear and in focus. So I'm going to show you some of the garden and we'll see what it looks like. Now, as you can see, we're zoomed in. I am about a finger's width away from this to the lens, and everything is in perfect focus. Look at that. There's even a little baby broccoli right there. I've got another one right over here. That's cool. Got some Swiss char. Let's get in really close to, let's get out of the light so you can see it a little better. But yeah, look at that char. That's the macro lens. That's the benefit of having this lens on an action camera. Isn't that kind of cool? Switched it back, and now, you know, such a beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cold out here, and I love the lighting. Now, the next thing I'm going to briefly mention are the profiles that are in the Ace Pro 2. Right now, I'm using Leica Vivid. That is one of the profiles that Insta360 actually worked with Leica on. Loving this. There's like almost no color grading that has to be done to these profiles, and I can definitely dig that. That being said, if you like what you're seeing right now, hit the follow button, like, share, whatever. But in the comments section, I would like for you to tell me what it is that you want me to do more videos on, because I do have the 360 degree camera. I have the GO Ultra and the Ace Pro 2, and I want to do more videos featuring all three of them and showing you the benefits of using these while you are in a vlogging setting, walking around, just getting out and doing your thing. Right now I'm not in public. I am currently at my home. That's my garden, chicken pen and everything behind me. And you can see that's the front yard and property. I haven't even shown you guys the backyard. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. I just hope all of you have an amazing day. Enjoy your Super Bowl. I am still healing up. I will get healed completely. And there's a few people that have actually reached out to me that knew what happened. Thank you for your concern. Yeah, it was a little painful, but shit happens sometimes. So with that, guys, have a great weekend.